Hi everyone, welcome to Crafting with Nani. Who doesn't like jewelry? Today I'm so excited because I'm gonna learn how to make this type of pendant in few easy steps. It's so delicate, elegant and beautiful. Shout out to my granddaughter for sharing her skills with us. So enjoy making jewelry for the beginners, and if you like the video then please share it with your many friends and subscribe. So come on.
Hey, I'm back and I'm going to show you how to make a necklace. The materials you're going to need are some flattish pliers, some rounded pliers, and wire cutters. And then you're going to need a chain, which is optional, and then any type of bead. I actually collect beads, so I'm using this real opalite bead. So first you're going to want to take some wire and cut it to about the length of your hand. And then using those rounded pliers, create a loop. Then take your bead and thread it through to the end of your wire. It should look something like this now. Then you're going to want to take your rounded pliers. Then you're going to want to take your wire and put it to the end of the pliers and create somewhat of a loop. Don't make it too tight, otherwise you're not going to be able to do the next steps. So here's me making the loop. It should look something like this now. Okay, so once you have that, you're going to want to take the rest of your wire and start wrapping it in a spiral on the top of your bead. I do have to admit this part was kind of hard, so I did the rest off camera, and here's how it looks. Now this part is optional, but if you have a chain, you're going to want to thread it through and make a necklace. And here is the final product. Make sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe.